Good morning, friends. We're going to go ahead and read the morning message. Our morning message today says, Good morning. Today is Wonderful Wednesday. Are you ready? I'm going to come over here to the sentence, Today is Wonderful Wednesday, and I'm going to look right here at this mark. What kind of end punctuation mark is this? If you said an exclamation mark, you are correct. And when do we use exclamation marks? If you said when we are excited, you are correct. Now we're going to come down here to the sentence, Are you ready? And at the end of the sentence, Are you ready? We see another punctuation mark. What is this punctuation mark called? It's called a question mark. And when do we use a question mark, friends? You're right. When we have a question. So the question says, Are you ready? Are you guys ready? You are. Let's go ahead to the next slide. So we're going to look at these pictures here and we're going to see which ones belong to the at family. So in order for it to belong to the at family, it has to say the sound at the end. So my first picture is a bat. Does that say at the end? Does bat say at the end? You're right, it does. Okay. What about this frog? Does frog say at the end? No, you are right. It does not say at the end. And then I have a truck. Does truck say at the end? No, it does not. Then we have dice. Dice. Does dice say at the end? It doesn't. You're right. How about top? Does top say at the end? No. How about hat? Does hat say at the end of the word? Hat. You're right. Hat. At. And then let's do one more picture. Let's do bat. Bat. Say bat. At. Bat. At. Does bat say at the end of the word? You're right, it does. What does the pictures bat, hat, and bat and rat, what do all those words do? If you said they rhyme, you're correct. Let's go to the next page. Now this is still kind of messed up a little bit because it wants to do it in PowerPoint and this is in Google Slides. So that's kind of why all the words are a little bit jumbled. And it works better on the school computer than my laptop. Let's go to the next page. And it's going to be just a little bit messed up too. But no biggie, we will work through it. It says, how many words are in this sentence? So I'm going to read the sentence. And I want you guys to tell me how many words you hear. The ham is hot. Hold up your fingers and count. The ham is hot. How many words? Hopefully you said 4. The is a heart word. Where would I put the heart for the? I'd put it over the E because the E is the letter when we spell the, we have to know by heart. Is also a heart word. And on the word is, where would I put the heart? over the S. You are correct, because I have to know the S by heart when I read the word is. So the ham is hot. I want you to read this in a baby voice. Now I want you to read the sentence, the ham is hot, in a robot voice. Great work. Let's go to the next page. And we need to figure out what shape each of these shapes are. So first we have a slice of watermelon. And the slice of watermelon is what shape? It has how many sides? How many sides does that slice of watermelon have? It has three. Three sides. And it has three vertices. Remember, vertices are where the lines come together. So it has three vertices, three lines. What shape is that? You're right. It is a triangle. Let's go ahead and look at this next shape. We've never talked about this shape before. So I'm going to help you figure out what shape this is. It has four sides, the flower pot does. But we see that two sides are the same and then two sides are different. So it can't be a rectangle and it can't be a square. How many vertices does it have? It has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 vertices. It's anyone know what it is? If you said a trapezoid, you are right. Now we're going to come over here to the fishbowl and let's see how many sides the fishbowl has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides. All the sides are the same. It has 6 vertices where the lines come together. What shape is this? If you said a hexagon, you are correct. And then our last page today is what are some things you would use to play sports? So tell the grown-up or your sibling or whoever's helping you do homework right now, what are some things you would use to play sports? If you said a ball or shoes or a helmet, those are some things that you might use to play sports. Great job with the morning message this morning, friends. Bye-bye.